Ryan's TV. Hey guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Ishida. I'm a local Japanese food and travel YouTuber. Right now, it's on the way to go to Maguro Park, which is the local fish market in Osaka by motorbike. Today, I saw their advertisement on the internet that the big crab is on sale. They are selling it for only 880 Japanese yen, which is pretty cheap in Japan. So I'm going there to buy the crab and other seafoods. I can't wait to cook it at home. By the way, if you want to know how to get to Maguro Park by public transportation, please check my previous Maguro Park video. Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan Senokao. Look at this. Yes, it's Maguro Park. It's really good weather, however, it's super windy. So this Maguro Park is a really popular local fish market and yes, crab. You know, I love crab. However, since crab is too expensive, so I usually can't eat it. But today, they are selling with really cheap price. So I'm so excited to get it. Yes, I can't wait to eat. Alright, so let's go to get it. Let's go. Alright, so finally I get here. So let's go to shopping. Let's go. So this is the local fish market with the food court. As you can see, there are a variety of foods that you can order with cheap price. For example, you can order deep fried shrimp curry for only 390 Japanese yen. They also have to-go bento box too. Right next to the food court, yes, there is a photo spot. It's closed though. So let's go to check the fish market. Right now, they promote the crab. So there are many kinds of crab stuffs. For example, this one is canned crab miso, which is crab innards, 600 Japanese yen. And this one is canned steamed sea urchin. Wow, this one is 850 Japanese yen. Expensive. They also sell seafood bento box with really cheap price. This bento box is today's special. It's only 150 Japanese yen. Wow. Alright, so let's go to check the crab. No, it's already sold out. Pretty much all the cheap stuffs are sold out. But it's okay, still there are many good stuffs here. So let's go to check other place. Look at this, it's spicy squid shoyu, 380 Japanese yen, looks pretty good, so let's get this. Wow, nice lobster, 2000 Japanese yen? Maybe next time when I have more budget. Oops, look at this one, it's teriyaki chicken, only 50 Japanese yen. Yep, let's try this. So this is the crab which is not on sale. 2,300 Japanese yen? Maybe next time. Oh, look at this one. It looks so cute but yummy. It's crab gratin, only 580 Japanese yen. Yes, today let's try this one. 카드で Well, unfortunately, I couldn't get the cheapest stuff. However, still I got the good stuff. So let's go home and cook. By the way, it's a beautiful, lovely day. I love the weather. Alright, so those are the things that I bought today. This one is crab gratin, 580 Japanese yen. And this one is spicy squid soy sauce, The price is 380 Japanese yen. And the last, this one is the teriyaki chicken, 50 Japanese yen. So let's start the cooking. There are 4 crab gratins inside. Basically, you just need to open it and heat it by oven. This is how it looks like. It looks yummy. It looks already good, however, I wanna make more Ryan's taste. So I decide to add more cheese. Also, since I had 4, I tried to make it different taste. This one with soy sauce. And this one, soy sauce with mayonnaise. And the last one, I add egg yolk and soy sauce. It looks yummy. Next, let's cook spicy squid with soy sauce. Haha, beautiful sound. After I tried it, I realized that I prefer the stronger taste, so I decided to add more ingredients to it. It's perfect. This teriyaki is really simple to prepare. You just need to take it out and you can eat it. Ta-da! Yes, it's ready! Looks so good and it smells so good too. Today, actually, I wanted to eat the crab, but the limited one was already sold out and the regular one was too expensive, so I couldn't get it. However, this one looks pretty good. Okay, so let's try that. But beforehand, today's beer. Ta-da! Asahi. This time I made it better than before. So, kanpai! Loving it. Compared to Kirin Ichiban, Asahi is much heavier beer. So, usually I prefer to drink Asahi with kind of strong taste seafood. So, anyway, let me try. As I told you in the previous video, I love squid. So, itadakimasu. Definitely squid is not smelly. I mixed the soy sauce and the mirin. It perfectly matches with this sweet and spicy sauce. It is not as spicy as I expected, however, it's pretty good. Alright, next, let me try this teriyaki chicken. Actually, this one was 50 Japanese yen. The quantity is not that much, but the package says we can directly put it onto the salad so that it becomes a teriyaki salad. I think it's pretty useful. So let me try the taste if it's good or not. Oishii, it's pretty good. The chicken is really soft and the teriyaki flavor is not as strong as regular teriyaki. Yeah, I think if we eat this with salad, it must be tasty. Psycho. Well, if you saw my last video, I gave up food to the cat, right? This one looks like a cat food. but it tastes good. Don't worry about it. Well, actually, I've never tried a cat food. Maybe cat food could taste better than human food, so I can't say this one is better than cat food. However, yeah, this one tastes better than how it looks like. Okay. So here, I have 4 different kinds of crab gratin. Let me try it one by one. So this is, ouch! You know, this crab shell spike, really hard. Anyway, so let me try this regular one. Itadakimasu. I add the extra cheese. With this crab meat and the cheese. Yummy. So next, let me try this one. So this one, I add the soy sauce. Well, it is still creamy, and the flavor of soy sauce can make it more the taste vivid. Yeah, I prefer with soy sauce. You know, this one is kind of sweet, so I think this squid is a perfect match. Well, I've been telling you many times, but I love squid. Well, if someone asks me my favorite food, I'm definitely not gonna answer the squid. However, whenever I eat squid, I like it. I don't know. Well, the taste is good. However, the squid is kinda sticky, right? Sticky? Crunchy? Chewy, yes, chewy, yeah. You know, the squid is kind of chewy, right? When I bite it, it's really chewy. I like. Alright, so next. This one is gratin with mayo and soy sauce. なるほど。美味しい。Well, the mayo flavor is pretty good, but I maybe prefer the only soy sauce one. I think the mayo flavor was too strong, so it's kind of killing the original taste. Well, but still, it's pretty good though. Man, I love it. Maybe I was lucky because I couldn't find the crab, so that's why, you know, I could meet those food. You know, otherwise I wouldn't try those. Pretty good. So I finished 2 of those. Yes, I finished it. I'm your father. Yes, Darth Vader. Well, I know, it's pretty random, but do I look like a Darth Vader? Nah. Okay, so anyway, let's go back to the gratin. Oh, by the way, speaking of the gratin, in Japanese, we call this gratin. So if you come over to Japan and you want to order the gratin, just speak slowly. Probably if you say gratin, then Japanese people are not gonna understand. However, if you say slowly, gratin, 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 most of Japanese will understand you. Yes, so that's the tip. Alright, so anyway, let me try this one. This one with egg. You know, I was kind of thinking of making a half-boiled egg, but it's kind of hard. But still, it's okay. So let me eat this gorgeous one. 美味しい。Well, I think this one is the best, so I could successfully make the gratin better. Well, only for my taste though. It's really creamy, and the flavor of the crab's egg yolk with mayo, yeah, of course, it can be bad, right? Oh, I totally forgot to finish the first one. Well, speaking of the weather in Japan, as you saw, today it was really windy, right? So even the weather getting warmer, however, it's still kind of cold. From the next week, it's gonna be really warm. So, well, I think I got to be ready for the spring and summer. Yeah, I much prefer summer compared to winter because I hate the coldness. You know, cause warmer weather more easy to ride on the motorbike, right? Yeah, I think that's one of the reasons why I like warmer weather. Well, maybe not, because since I was a kid before I get the driver's license, I already love summer. You know, my birthday is June 13, before summer, so maybe that's why I love summer. I'm like a summer boy. Maybe it doesn't make sense. Anyway. Whew, wow, I'm so full. Well, it was really good. Well, original plan was eating the whole crab, but I think those were pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, as you see, the crab is really expensive in Japan. I know in some other country could be more expensive, but on the other hand, I know that some country could be really cheap. You know, one day when I get more subscribers and more budget for the video, I'm gonna eat the whole crab. You know, hope the day will come. Alright, so this video pretty much that's it. Please subscribe to my channel and please turn on your notification so that you won't miss my new video and you won't miss my surprise live stream. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Arigato. So, bye bye.